I still had the aspiration.
It's aspirational, right?
It totally is. I
And
think it.
let that be a lesson to everybody. 48 hours.
Hi, folks. Here we are again with Brad Fuller. We've had this chat before, and we're doing another intro because there's a technical hitch. If you've watched any of these others, you'll understand why. So here's Brad alive and in the fresh, and this talk was about what, Brad?
It was about a concept which you originated, and I've taken on a holus bolus called EDIAH, all in
EDIAH.
capitals,
I'm going to put that on the bottom
every
of the
day.
screen. And why should people watch
Every
this?
You're the sort of person who believes that there is a utopian existence, and this might just be it.
Look, I don't know whether anyone else is going to find this hilarious, but I found it hilarious when we discussed this, and I always found it hilarious back at the time. So hopefully your viewers will find this entertaining. And there's a deeper message here that I think is really important. But we had a laugh. Hope you have a laugh. So let's get into it. There's this thing that came out of a funny situation called EDIAH. Now, maybe I'll tell my story, right? So I came back after Christmas holidays. I may have played in one of those festivals in a band because I was dabbling with that.
Yes.
And I came back and I was so happy about just my state of being, and I was inspired. And I came up to you and I said, Brad, do you remember this? Brad, I've got it. I've got it. I've worked out how to survive the stresses of school. Is you just have to have this every day as a holiday. Every day is a holiday. That's it. You have the feeling, and you just maintain that feeling and ride the wave. And you were totally with me, right? You'd never go, oh, Richard, you dream, and you just go, man, I'm into it. Let's do it. Yeah, that's great. Yeah. And then you came up with the acronym EDIAH. Every day is a holiday. So it's like, yeah. And then you might want to tell me what happened. I think it was literally 48 hours later. Do you remember that?
Oh, no. But we should mention that it's all caps.
Oh, yeah, it's all caps. Yeah.
All caps.
Yeah.
What happened for... Oh, well, yeah, I think... But go on, you tell this part.
And then, anyway, so this is not just me rabbiting on Haze of Wild Idea. I totally believe this was it. And there's an analogy here because we need to tackle. And I'm not a great example of this, but you need to have as an aim to have a life where every day is a holiday. Now you might be working a 70-hour week, but if it's just like being in prison, then that's not good. You want to be loving and running. It's kind of running with passion, following your passion. Anyway, so this was like a revelation for me. Brad, I've got it. Every day's a holiday. That's it. That's what we're going to do.
Yep.
2 days later, literally 2 days later, I'm walking past your desk and I'm at the bottom of the pile, right? And you're going, Rich, what happened to EDIAH? And I said, oh, it's gone. I'm smashed. I'm stressed to the eyeballs. But we didn't lose the acronym. We still hung on to the acronym, even though within 2 days, I was just smashed and the whole thing was gone. But I still had the aspiration.
It's aspirational, right?
It totally is.
Let that be a lesson to everybody. 48 hours.
But it was worth it.
You went to the mountaintop. Yeah.
It was worth having that revelation and that belief. I honestly believe this was it. And it still is it. But I only lasted, 2 days. But I never forgot about it. And then we'd always sign off our emails, EDIAH. And
I think it. I think again, this is about you as a life hacker, and I love that about you right from the start. That you with life, because for you, teaching and life aren't separate, and for me, music and life aren't separate, and music and teaching and life for me are all part of the same thing.
Yeah.
So you were trying to work out right then, and this predates a lot of gurus. I think this predates 4-hour work week and all sorts of, and even the term life hacking. And I saw that you were trying to work that EDIAH into your life. And so I think every day's a holiday is just part of that thing of how do you feel when you're on holidays? Man, I feel great.
Yeah.
It's that feeling that you're talking about, right?
Yeah.
And so the quest is, how can I get that every day? Yeah. But that's a really important message though, right?
Yeah,
so
I think
because
it is.
You know, you and I both grabbed that and went, yep, that's how we're going to live the rest of our lives. So that's it, everyone. We hope that is as useful to you as it has been for us for this last many years.
2 decades.
And that
still striving.
You can continue as we have to strive towards that utopian ideal.
EDIAH forever. Thanks, everyone, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.